purchased the boat off. Going to his work to pick up the title. Gonna take it back home. Put some new carpet on it, and then we'll update you from time to time. That way you can see our little journey. See the transformation.
Hector here, RGB Fishing. Finally made it home with Darren's boat, our boat, teammates, Team Ripping Lips. About $1,500 for it. Gone through a lot of stuff. It's a long story. Maybe we'll make a video about it later until you guys went down. You guys want to come take a look? This is the carpet. Going out to the new carpet, marine carpet, and we have a lot of work to do. That piece you guys saw goes here. We're gonna redo this one, the bottom, and we're gonna redo that front deck, and we're gonna just carpet some other stuff and put some work into it. We need a new fish finder. This is the motor. It's a 40 Yamaha 1984. Pretty decent looking, pretty good stuff, well kept. The guy hardly used it. Some salt water, which is why we have to replace a lot of stuff, a lot of the screws. Brand new battery. One thing we do have to fix is the impeller pump, and we need to fix up the bilge pump, some rewiring, trolling motor guide, 46-pound thrust. We're hoping to be done in about 2 to 3 weeks. Mark has a boat too. Team Hook It and Book It. So yeah, we're gonna be doing little friendly tournaments and stuff. Hopefully she'll be good and running soon, and we'll just keep this is gonna be a little transformation video, so hopefully you guys like it. Just something different other than us catching fish all the time like we always do, every day. Something different for you guys, so hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it comes out good, and hopefully she runs like a fucking skater. Alright guys, we're gonna go take her for a test drive now. We took off the front panel. It's pretty good work done. It's pretty impressive how they customized this boat. It's good. It's a very good buy. It just needs some TLC. It needs a little love, some new stuff. We're gonna have to put some money into it, but bass fishing is all about putting money into it. But hopefully it pays off. Alright guys, we're back with an update. We took off the front panel, we took off this back panel, this back cover. That's a bilge pump, got some other stuff we noticed. Took out the battery, took out the gas tank. We're gonna carpet those 2 panels. We're gonna take it to the car wash like this, vacuum it, give it a rinse, hose her down, clean her up. We're gonna come back probably sometime this week, or later on tomorrow maybe, hopefully. When Aaron gets out of work, we can put some more work into it. Try to get it going ASAP. But this is it so far. We're gonna carpet some stuff. If we really knew how to do it, we would show you guys how to do it. But we're probably about to go search up a video on how to do it, so we can't really show you guys how to do it. So you guys gotta look at someone else. We'll put the link to whoever video we use or whatever. All right, we'll be back right now.
After our restoration, this is how the boat turned out. We never made an update. Put blue carpet, we still need to install that. Put blue carpet. We repainted the whole boat, all gray with a red stripe and a black accent to it. Got our numbers running.